Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 81. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, the Queen Mother, she was still locked up. Even though she was locked up, she really controlled everything. A lot of people in the palace, also outside the palace, really work with her. With her connection and so on, she can really control the whole dynasty. Even the queen's mother and also the family can really put them into silence. My sister sent someone to save her sister. Now, looking at it, her brother under the jail. Now, the queen mother suddenly goes through and she really plans everything. Able, the queen, can keep her silent. Also, follow and be obedient on her. Madam, from the palace news, Uncle Guo was seriously ill in person. I'm afraid that it will be out soon. The Queen Mother was furious after knowing it and insisted that she needs to go back to the palace. Ilan was reporting on hers. Ilan said Xinyan was still in coma and if it spread throughout, there will be a commotion. At this time, she was afraid that something is big could it happen? Well, definitely it was a big deal for all of them. If someone knows this, that Xinyan, that she is in trouble, Queen's family will put in trouble. Every one of them, everyone by the Queen's family will be punished by the Queen Mother itself. Queen Mother's purpose was really good. In fact, they really planned it well. The news of Nyan Nyan is seriously injured must be rumored. What are you going to do? My family is willing to drive the next mother. Now, it really makes sense. The Queen Mother was forced to go to this point and had to go back. Now, the Queen was holding Xinyan's son. Well, she got really worried about Xinyan. Until now, she was not waking up. She was still in coma. Ilan, I will leave Nyan Nyan to you. You must protect her. Yang Yang, don't worry. Ilan said to her. Well, of course, she will protect Xinyan at all costs. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Well, it turns out her father was there. Father, why did you come here at this time? Little Queen, she was really afraid. Suddenly her brother came in. Well, for now, maybe her father was plotting something. It seems that her father is really a straight person and he will always go after for the family's safety. Now, maybe he was thinking something. Little Queen brother said, I'm afraid that you don't care about your own body. You're in good spirits, so you can rest assured. Is she still not awake? She will wake up. Definitely, she will. The little queen said to her brother. Well, her brother. It looked like she was really plotting something. The weather is getting colder. You should wear more when you go out. Her brother is still busy, so I won't accompany you. It was really questionable. What her brother is going to be busy, even though her little sister is on the hot seat for this. Well, let's see. Little Queen said, leave her alone. Probably, Little Peach knows something. That's why she was holding the Queen. Servant said, I will leave now, Your Majesty. After the arrangement, we need to return to the palace today. The little Queen said to her servant, well, definitely. She's going after for the Queen Mother so she can able to talk about Xinyan. Come back to the palace. The Queen Mother was still there. What about the Emperor? On weekdays, you're like a glue and inseparable. The public, why only you now here to see me at this time? So, the Queen Mother knows everything, especially small things happening to them. Now, it really makes sense. All of this is all her fault. Queen Mother's hands and eyes are in the sky, so why pretend to be confused? The little queen said to herself, well, she knows that Queen Mother is really mischievous. The Emperor chose you as the queen. Do you know why I don't stop it? Because I think that you are silly. Sooner or later, the Emperor, the puppet in my hands. But it's not really happening. Just that I don't expect that you were so capable to stole the Emperor and try to take the power in my hands. So, the Queen Mother is really getting jealous by attention of Xinyan towards the little queen. And also, she got really afraid that the queen will take her power as the Queen Mother of the Empire. I have worked hard for so many years. Why should I be taken away by you? Disobedient children is always gonna suffer. Queen Mother said to the little queen to have deprived her for being a daughter, and now you have to take her life away. Well, she's been questioning the Queen Mother. She noted to herself that her life was given by me, and only blame you and let her have many delusions that should beat her, and if weren't for you, shouldn't have ended on being half dead. Queen Mother said to the little queen. Oh, the little queen knows that. For the Queen Mother, I'm going to clarify you. To make a good emperor, well, it is not delusion. Little queen, she won't really back down on the Queen Mother's approaching. The emperor was seriously injured at your mother's house. If this matter spreads out, what will the courtiers think? So, she really want to blame her for everything, especially it is the Queen Mother's wrongdoing. The queen made friends with the general and trying to change the dynasty. Or foreign relatives are doing politics and have a bad intention. No, the Queen Mother is trying to suppress the little queen by putting the blame on all her family's members, friends, brothers and sisters, the lives of the 9 clans including the generous family of Dai. Oh, yes, my disobedient niece, everything will be die. The Queen Mother said to the little queen, you tried every means and to ask me to go back to the palace. What are you going to do? I want you to get pregnant in October and give birth to the prince. Queen Mother said to her. Now, the little queen said, you are shameless. Of course, she won't really accept that. She noted to herself that Xinyan really go crazy about this. Well, for now, is she going to obey the Queen Mother? Listen to my words obediently and finish these 10 months of play. Oh, the Queen Mother, she looks really serious about this. She knows to herself that having a prince is really important to this dynasty. Also, the Queen, she must really bear a prince. With a newborn prince, Xinyan, whether she wants to restore her being daughter and not to go back of being emperor is up to her. What if I don't agree? The little queen said to the Queen Mother. Now, looking at herself, she is really getting angry to the Queen Mother because she knows to herself that this plan, it was really silly. Of course, she really won't accept it. Suddenly, her brother came into the room. Oh, brother, you. So it turns out it was also compliance. In this plan, her brother, the Queen Mother, was plotting something. And also, her brother is agreeing to the Queen Mother's plot. Sure, you can be willful, but I can bet on the life of the Wolf family. Now, the Queen Mother is approaching Xinyan. But Tandailan is ready to defend Xinyan. So, everything will be fine, especially Xinyan. You can really wake up sooner. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!